Balloon pistol tutorial. Reserve 8 fingers width at the tail end. With your index finger, press firmly on the valve and make a 2-finger apple knot. Blow out the air and twist a 5-finger single bubble. Twist 2 small bubbles to form double ear TIs. Wrap the remaining neck around the center bulge. Twist a 4-finger bubble. Twist a single bubble to form a barrier knot. Make a 4-finger single bubble and wrap it around the double ear tie. Twist a 5-finger single bubble above and wrap it around the ear tie. Twist a single bubble using 5 fingers. Wrap a 4-finger single bubble around the ear tie in one motion. Twisting off a single bubble about 2.5 fingers wide. Release excess gas. Tie a knot to secure. Trim the neck. Adjust the balloon shape. Your balloon pistol is complete.